Hey guys, welcome to 2-Minute Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own keyboard shortcuts, and specifically I want to show you one shortcut that I've created that saves me so much time in my edit workflow. So to start with, let's go up to Premiere Pro, Keyboard Shortcuts. In here you can see what all your keys are assigned to, and you can easily change them by clicking on the command and changing the letter that it's associated with. Most of the keys are already associated with a command, so you'll have to either delete the function that's associated with that key or find a different key or different modifier to be able to add that command. You can search for any of the commands here or for the key itself and see what it has been assigned to. Now I'll show you what that shortcut I've created does for my edit workflow. Let's zoom into the timeline by pressing plus. And say I want to cut out a midsection of this clip. I could use C and get my razor tool and cut here, and I'll cut down here as well, and I can delete that clip. But I find that is a very slow way to do any kind of cutting. So what I've done instead is replace the command on my Z key. Originally, this key is set to zoom, but never in the history of using Premiere Pro have I used Z to zoom in and out of the timeline. So I went up into my keyboard shortcuts, I clicked on Z, I deleted the command that was on there, then I went and searched for the command add edit, and I dragged and dropped that onto my Z and click OK. Now what happens when I hit Z, it'll make an automatic cut point wherever my playhead is at. What this looks like for my workflow, if I drag the original clip that I used onto the timeline, I can see there are a few pauses that I want to cut out. Instead of having to zoom in and grab my razor, do some cut points or whatever it might be, instead I can bring the playhead along, press Z, move to where I want to cut out, and press Q. Move along, Z, cut point, Q, trim prior to playhead. And at the end, I can neaten it up by pressing W, trim after playhead. I hope this tip helps you save time in your edit. Leave your questions in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Make sure you subscribe for more tips just like this, and I'll see you next time.